Let's start our journey on the Dualtron, dancing freely to the sound of the waves. And shared laughter and endless joy, we'll enjoy a happy life. As the wind brushes through our hair and sand spreads beneath our feet, we'll elegantly explore the beach and complete our story. The power of the
Introducing the brand new Dualtron Aminia. Our beloved Dualtron Mini has been upgraded and proudly rebranded as Aminia. Equipped with dual motors and upgraded wider wheels, this enhanced model ensures even more stable rides for your convenience. Enhanced light brackets, reflectors, and tail lights contribute to safer riding on roads. With new waterproof cables and a body frame boasting an IPX5 rating, you can ride worry-free. Experience the ultimate in power, stability, and performance with the all-new Dualtron Amir. Start your new riding adventure with Dualtron Amir today.
Ready, go!
Here's the exciting progress of the Aminia IPX5 waterproof test. This significant development means that I can now ride my Aminia scooter without any worries, even when the skies open up and it starts to rain. This newfound freedom to ride in all weather conditions fills me with immense joy and happiness. The peace of mind knowing that my scooter can withstand the rain and keep functioning optimally is truly liberating. It's not just about the convenience, it's about the confidence and the exhilaration of being able to take on the world, no matter the weather. This is a game changer for me and I'm absolutely thrilled about it.
As the wind brushes through our hair and sand spreads beneath